A service plan in healthcare refers to a comprehensive and organized approach to delivering medical care and support to individuals. It is a roadmap that outlines the specific services and interventions a patient will receive to address their health needs. These plans are typically developed collaboratively between healthcare providers, patients, and sometimes their families, ensuring a tailored approach to individual needs. The primary goal of a service plan is to enhance the overall well-being of the patient by addressing their medical, psychological, and social needs. It serves as a guiding document that helps healthcare professionals coordinate and prioritize the various aspects of care. In a service plan, healthcare providers outline the specific treatments, therapies, medications, and interventions that are deemed necessary for a patient's health condition. It may include details about regular checkups, diagnostic tests, and preventive measures to monitor and manage the patient's health proactively. Crucially, a service plan also takes into account the patient's preferences, cultural background, and lifestyle factors, ensuring that the care provided is not only effective, but also respectful of the individual's values and choices. Regular reassessment and adjustments to the service plan are made as the patient's health status evolves. Moreover, service plans promote collaboration and communication among different healthcare professionals involved in the patient's care, fostering a multidisciplinary approach. This holistic strategy helps address the complex and interconnected nature of health issues, leading to more comprehensive and patient-centered care. In conclusion, a service plan in healthcare is a dynamic and personalized roadmap that guides the delivery of medical care, emphasizing collaboration, patient preferences, and holistic well-being. It plays a vital role in ensuring that individuals receive the right care at the right time, contributing to improved health outcomes and overall quality of life.
Looking for the best health provider with the coverage you need? Our network of providers allows you to create your own flexible plan and help you get the health coverage that you deserve. Speak with one of our health insurance specialists and get a free quote over the phone at 1-800-410-1206.